Our integration with BombBomb is a powerful way for agents to build a stronger, more personal relationship through video messaging. BombBomb helps you enhance client communication with video messaging, showcasing your personality, building trust, and helping you stand out. If you're ready to start sending BombBomb videos through Wise Agent, here's how to get set up. To activate the BombBomb integration, you will first need to log into your BombBomb account and copy your API key. To access your API key, click on the menu icon in the top right corner of your account and select Integrations. Click on the button to copy your unique API key. Once you've copied your API key, log into your Wise Agent account, go to Integrations, and select Settings. Scroll down to the BombBomb section where you can see an option to activate your account. Enter your BombBomb account name and paste your API key, then click Activate. Now that you've activated the integration, you're ready to send a BombBomb video directly through Wise Agent. To send a BombBomb video via email, head to your contacts and select Contact List. You can use the search filters to narrow down your specific groups or categories you would like to send a video to. After filtering your list, you can select all or choose individual contacts. Once you've selected your contacts, click on the integrations icon from the gray menu bar. From here, you can have an option to add or remove contacts from the BombBomb list or send a BombBomb video to your selected contacts. When you click Send BombBomb, you will redirect to the BombBomb Send Video page. On this page, add a subject line and choose your preferred branding, which will be your email signature. Then either record a new video or select Get Saved Video to use an existing one from your BombBomb account. If needed, you can also switch accounts or lists using the drop-down menu. To select a video, simply hover over it and click Select to Send button. Once you've chosen your video, scroll down and click Send Video. You can also send BombBomb videos via text message. Simply select your contacts from your contact list and click the Send Text icon, and use the Text Media button to choose from your saved BombBomb videos. Another way to send a BombBomb video is directly from the Contact Summary page. Pull up your client details and select BombBomb from the side menu. Then add your contacts to the BombBomb list by clicking the plus sign. After saving the list selections, go back to the top of the page. Click on the Integrations Actions dropdown and select Send BombBomb Video. You will be prompted to allow Wise Agent to access your camera and microphone so you can record new personalized videos. Once recorded, add the subject and message, and choose whether to include the spouse's email if applicable. You can also include a BombBomb video in your automated responses using Wise Agent Lead Rule feature. Go to Contacts and select Lead Rules. From Lead Management page, you can create a new lead by clicking the plus icon or edit an existing one. When editing a rule, create an email response and attach a BombBomb video to it. Last but not least, you can analyze your success with the email analytics from BombBomb videos sent through your Wise Agent. To view analytics, click on the integrations, then BombBomb. Under the Emails tab, you will see a list of all the BombBomb emails you've sent. Hover over any email and click the eye icon to view your performance analytics. Wise Agent BombBomb integration gives you a ton of flexibility when it comes to staying connected with your clients. Whether you're sending videos by email, text, or even automating them with lead rules, it's all about making your communication more personal and more effective. Try BombBomb with Wise Agent and bring your client communication to life.